In Italy, the average salary is around. Oh, really? Here it's so. I don't want to tell. Philippines is so very, 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 very. I'm almost done. I need to prepare 1,000 euro. That's a lot of money. Yeah. 1,000 euro per month times 6. Oh, it's almost 100,000 pesos. It's almost 100,000 pesos.